What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the RogueMTRafter channel on YouTube. Yeah, in today's video, I just wanted to give you guys just a walk around of the progress on the build. I've been working on it pretty hard. Not as much as I want to, though, because life gets in the way and work gets in the way more than I'd like it to. But this is kind of the stage it's at right now. There's not a whole lot left to do on the build, except for mounting stuff to the floor. That's coming up here in the next week or so. I've been working on the trailer. I just got that back from the welder and had it widened a total of 1 foot, and just working out some of that stuff. But let's get on to this. I've been working on this console like crazy. Oh my God, it's never gonna get done. But yeah, I got the helm mounted, the new steering wheel on. I went with the SeaStar No Feedback, the X-Treme No Feedback steering setup. I had to return the first cable. I knew I was going to screw up that measurement, but I found the right one. I started getting the gauges installed today. I've got my runtime. I've got a voltmeter, and then I've got a auxiliary battery meter over here. And I put a little USB plug-in down there for a phone. I got the windshield mounted, and this is cool because it's removable. They've got little thumb screws on, so you could just take them right off. I've got the back done, but I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna mount it yet, if I'm gonna keep the weather stripping that I have in there. Got some Atwood seat pedestals. I don't think the seats are gonna go like this because you get a fish on, it's gonna be impossible to turn around. So the passenger seat's probably gonna move back about 6 inches and be on that next piece of the deck behind it. Got some Scotty 1106B Downriggers, and ran Scotty's before. They're freaking awesome, super powerful. And these are the braided ones, so give those a shot. Heard they're awesome. Got a pretty cool box in the mail from Scotty Fishing Products, so I'm gonna do a separate video on that. They sent me some really cool stuff for this build. Added a Suzuki motor cover, and still have to hard mount that. Obviously, I got to wire up the downriggers, put the little risers on and do that. I still have to carpet this rear bench. That's where the fuel tank is. I got a 12-gallon mower in there. And then I went and got an Optima blue top battery. It's actually a dual purpose deep cycle that I can use for running the downriggers off the back. This Suzuki does have an alternator in it, so it'll keep that battery charged up. I went with the big one, so I don't ever have to worry about it. Not sure what I'm gonna do on the accessory battery, but that's gonna go inside this console up here. That'll run my Humminbird, any lighting I add to this, any stuff like that you know, is gonna be up front, or running a switch off the dash for whatever. But probably a bilge pump in the back, and yeah. I don't have a whole lot going on other than that today. I'm trying to finish up this front, or finish up the steering console so we can get that buttoned up and bolted down to the floor. And still got to mount the seats and the rear bench and stuff. But this part of the build's getting close. And if you guys have any questions on, you know, how I built any of this stuff, or if you want any measurements, hit me up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get you up to speed. But yeah, that's it for this section of the build. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And then also, I'm on Instagram for the RogueMTRafter channel, and I do post, you know, random stuff on there too. So if you want to kind of see some progress as I'm doing it, check out that channel on Instagram. And as always, thank you for watching, and please hit that subscribe button. See you soon.